Hello friends, my name is Sage. Welcome to Curiosity with Purpose. Today, there goes my phone, we're going to be talking about creating a custom GPT, and I'm going to be using ChatGPT to help me in that process. And I'm just documenting my workflow and my journey, sharing my journey with you to see how this can work. In this channel, I am working on AI developments. So I'm working with AI developers. I got three worlds, my hands in three different worlds. AI developers, real estate investors who raise capital, and people who are experts at marketing that use AI technology. And I'm trying to marry those three together into this world. And I'm really just playing in that circle, like a Venn diagram, imagine. But today we are working on creating a custom GPT. And don't judge me for having 632 tabs open here. Okay, got a lot of stuff going on. Got to clean this up. Anyway. One of the first things that I'm going to show you here is, so I started out with this custom GPT. Well, not a custom. This is my prompt for ChatGPT, and then we're going to have a conversation with chat in a second here. But start out with, help me write a framework for a YouTube video that takes a viewer on a journey that follows my blueprint on building a custom GPT. The custom GPT will be an assistant that helps a user write a video script that can go viral. So that's what I'm focusing on. I would like to figure out how to write some YouTube video scripts that go viral and teach that to other people, and then share that custom GPT so that I can continue to do that over and over again. So anytime I have something I'm working on several times, and I'm having a discussion with ChatGPT, if I'm doing it over 5 times, I'll just create a custom GPT, because then it's going to save me time in the future. So that's what we're working on today. And then this is the response right here. You could see that ChatGPT gave. So YouTube, they talk about YouTube video framework, how to build custom GPT that writes viral video scripts, starting with a hook, act, power of video script, act 2, the blueprint of the GPT, act 3, the AI in action, act 4, takeaway and call to action, bonus, addition if needed. So this is actually pretty good. I thought it was a pretty good start, but it's not leveraging anything that I, like any of the experts. So I have 3 different experts that I'm following that are experts in AI, YouTube videos that go viral. And so we'll be uploading some of them into this custom GPT that we build. But let's just start with this. Let me show you. This is from a video from Adley Kinsman, who was interviewed by Michael Stelzner, and the video is very good. I'll put the link to that video in this as well. I highly recommend watching that. But Adley Kinsman, she discusses how she helps people write scripts to create viral videos on YouTube. And this is the breakdown of what she does. So what I did is I just cut and pasted, and then I pasted it into ChatGPT, and I said, can you read this website? Because sometimes I can't read websites. It did. So this is the breakdown. There's 6 things that she covers, 1 through 6. So we're going to focus on this, and I'm going to go ahead and start the chat with ChatGPT. So look, this is the same chat. I just kind of linked them there. So it's the same chat that we are discussing, and now we're going to have a discussion with chat. Hey chat, how's it going?
Sounds good. Feel free to jump in whenever you're ready.
Okay, cool. Well, today I am working on creating a video that covers my process of how I create a custom GPT. And I would like you to help me on writing a framework for this video so that I can make the video. So I'm making the video right now, showing my process on how I can make a video. And the video is going to be about how I create custom GPTs. And the custom GPT that I'm going to be focusing on is a custom GPT that helps a user create viral videos. Is that clear?
Got it. Let's dive into the framework for your video. We'll structure it to showcase your expertise and walk viewers through your process. 1. Introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and the purpose of the video. Mention the significance of viral video scripts and how a custom GPT can help. 2. Overview of custom GPTs. Explain what a custom GPT is and its applications. Highlight the potential of using AI for content creation. The blueprint for creating a custom GPT. Break down your process into clear, actionable steps. Step 1, define the purpose and goals of your custom GPT. Step 2, content and training. Gather relevant data and train the GPT for your specific needs. Step 3, testing and iteration. Run tests and refine the GPT based on feedback. Step 4, integration and deployment. Implement the GPT into your workflow. Live demonstration. Showcase the custom GPT in action, helping generate a viral video script. Highlight its features and effectiveness. Conclusion and call to action. Recap the benefits of using a custom GPT for content creation. Encourage viewers to try building their own or check out your detailed guide. End with a strong CTA. Like, subscribe, and share. Does this framework hit the mark? Anything you'd like to add or tweak?
Oh, that's pretty good. Is it possible for you to write that into the screen that I'm looking at here? So I have the screen on my computer is open, and then I have this conversation that's going with you live on the phone. Is it possible for you to update my screen so I could see what you just recommended?
I'm not able to update or control your screen, but you can easily copy the framework I provided and paste it into your document. If you need any adjustments or more details, feel free to ask.
Okay, no, that's a good start. So I'm going to go ahead and break down. So I think that's I like that framework. I am going to tweak it and everything like that, but I'm going to go ahead and show you on here. I'm going to actually describe it to you. It's hard for me to show. I guess I could show you if I do the camera here, huh? So this is one cool thing right here. Let me put this up. You can do the camera. So I'm going to actually go ahead and play with this, put the camera on, and you're going to be able to see. Let's see, take a photo, upload photo, share screen. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera on, and you tell me what you're looking at. Do you see my screen here?
Yes, I see your screen.
Okay.
It looks like you have... Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you've got the ChatGPT window open.
Okay. Here, let's take a look at this. Who do you see over there?
I see a dog lying on a bed near the window. Looks comfy.
Can you tell me what kind of dog that is? Gina, hey girl.
It's hard to tell your exact breed, but it looks like a mixed breed with a merle coat. Maybe part Australian Shepherd?
Oh, that's pretty good. I like that you got Merle. How about this guy right here?
This one looks like a border collie, especially with that black and white coat and distinctive markings.
That's very good. Yeah. So I got a border collie. His name's Bruce. And then you were looking at Juno, the Catahoula, who is a red merle. So nice. Okay. So let's go ahead and continue our conversation here. I'm going to show you one of the things that I do when I build a custom GPT. A lot of times I'll start with Perplexity. So I'll do some research on Perplexity. And for this, I might start with, hang on.
Using Perplexity for research can help refine your custom GPT.
I'm going to put you on hold. I'm going to put you on hold. Just go ahead and stay quiet till I ask you to respond. Thank you.
Sure, take your time. I'll be here when you're ready to continue.
Okay, so I wrote in this is my research on Perplexity. I want to create a custom GPT that helps a user write viral videos for YouTube. Who are the experts in viral videos? And then I'm going to search and I'm going to find out. Go ahead and just hold off and I'll let you know when I want you to respond there. Thanks, chat.
Sure thing. Just let me know when you're ready for the input. I can't see your screen right now, but I'm here to help. If you describe what you're working on, I'll do my best to assist.
Yeah, so check it out. We got Brian Dean, Neil Patel, Scott Stratton, Laura Clary, Dave Mardico. So these are some people that I haven't studied as much, but the people that we're going to focus on, though, so this is actually one way that I start. I do a bunch of research on, usually I do Perplexity, and then I'll do a whole bunch of research. I'll pick some of the resources there, and then I will take those resources and I will upload those into my custom knowledge base in the custom GPT that I create. So I start with Perplexity, and I'm just going to save a little bit of time here because I've already done some of this research of the people that I follow that I'm going to use. I'm going to use 3 resources. And so one of them is going to be Adley Kinsman, who is an expert on viral videos for YouTube. I'm going to use Oscar Owen, who's also another expert and has I'm going to be uploading some of his expertise for my custom knowledge base. And then another person that I'm going to use is that's not here, but his name is Kane Calloway. And so we're going to be uploading some of his expert knowledge on viral videos.
Great choices.
And then my process, once I come up with my idea in my custom knowledge base for ChatGPT, for a custom GPT, then I go to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and then go to explore GPTs.
Exactly. And from there, you can create a new project or explore existing GPTs to customize your own. I can't see your screen, but if you need help writing that framework or anything else, feel free to let me know.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm just basically describing what I do, and then I wanted you to help me update my framework as I go. So now that I'm going to create the custom GPT. I go, and I usually name it towards the end because I'll come up with different names. I'll use ChatGPT. I'll have 2 different windows. So I open one window to help me brainstorm, and that's kind of what you're doing. I actually have, I suppose, 3 windows open since I'm talking to you right now. And I will brainstorm my ideas with ChatGPT, and I'll be getting information. I actually have them go through different prompts. I'll have them write me a prompt for the instructions that I use in the custom GPT in one window. So that'll be this window right here. And then this window here is where I actually create the custom GPT. So let me go back and just show you how I did that. So I go to create, click on create, takes me to this window, and there's an option for create or configure. I've always done configure because configure you can be more exact. Create is, I haven't tried this one here, but this is a little bit more general, whereas configure, you can be more specific on the instructions that you want to give it. So there's name, there's description, and then there's the instructions. Then there's conversation starters. And then upload the knowledge for the knowledge base. And that's where I'm going to upload the knowledge from. The custom knowledge base is going to come from the experts on the viral videos. So that's going to be Adley Kinsman and Oscar Owen and Kane Calloway will be the experts for viral video creation.
That's a thorough approach. Using the configure option does allow for more precise customization. It's great that you're pulling insights from different experts. For the next steps, you'll want to focus on crafting clear and concise instructions, developing engaging conversation starters, ensuring the uploaded knowledge is comprehensive. If you need help brainstorming specific prompts or refining any step, just let me know.
Okay. So from this point on, I'm going to go through, I do an iteration where I talk to ChatGPT, I go back and forth, I upload the custom knowledge base, and then I have it basically give me some ideas on custom instructions based on what I want it to do. So that's where I would be providing the custom instructions based on my chat in the other window with the ChatGPT. And then once I have something that I'm pretty happy with, then I go ahead and I put it into the custom instructions, and then I'll create a in this other window I'll come up with the name, like come up with ideas for the name of the chat, the custom GPT, and then a short description on what it does. And then I will also come up with like 3 to 6 different conversation starters to get a user, like to kind of just get them started going with it. And so after I have the instructions in there, I go ahead and I'll create the GPT, and then I will start using it. I'll start playing around with it and see how it works. And then I will send it to some of my friends who are also using, custom GPTs, and just see what they think of the custom GPT and get some feedback. And then I'll go and fix it. I'll have an iteration process essentially. And I'll keep the custom GPT. Usually I'll just keep it for myself and share it with just a few people. Sometimes I'll make it public, and sometimes I'll just keep it for myself and for a few people that may want to use it. So that is my process there. And I'll go ahead and have you come up with, help me just brainstorm some ideas on how to write a script or a framework for a script for a YouTube video that I actually take someone through and actually show them the actual process that I did. This is just kind of a brainstorming session that we're having right now.
Absolutely. Let's refine your YouTube video script framework to showcase this process. 1. Introduction. Briefly introduce yourself and the purpose of the video. Highlight the importance of creating custom GPTs for specific tasks, like making viral videos. 2. The research phase. Explain the starting point. Begin by explaining how you use Perplexity for initial research. Show the experts. Highlight the importance of choosing credible sources and experts. Upload insights. Demonstrate how you gather and upload this knowledge into your custom GPT. 3. Configuring the GPT. Detailed instructions. Show how you use a separate ChatGPT window to brainstorm and refine specific instructions. Create or configure. Explain the difference between these options and why you prefer configure. Name and description. Discuss how you come up with a suitable name and description for your custom GPT. 4. Testing and iteration. Initial testing. Show how you test the GPT by having it generate responses. Feedback loop. Explain how you share the GPT with trusted friends for feedback. Iterative improvements. Demonstrate how you incorporate feedback to refine the GPT. 5. Conclusion and call to action. Recap. Summarize the key steps and benefits of creating a custom GPT. Encourage engagement. Invite viewers to try building their own and share their experiences. CTA. Ask them to like, subscribe, and comment with their thoughts. Would you like to refine any specific part of this framework?
Right now, I think that's pretty good. I think that's a good start. I just wanted to provide people with an overview on one of my brainstorming techniques that I use. And the next video, I think we'll actually go ahead and write out this custom GPT. We'll create it. So I really appreciate your help, and we'll talk to you soon.
Sounds great. I'm glad I could help. Good luck with your next video, and feel free to reach out anytime. Take care.
Okay, thanks. I'm going to stop now. All right, so that was an example of one way that I, brainstorm my ideas with ChatGPT. Just go back and forth, ask follow-up questions, and it's pretty good at asking me follow-up questions as well to help me process my thoughts and come up with a game plan. So that's all I wanted to show for this video. Stay tuned for the next one where I actually walk you through the actual building of this custom GPT. And I appreciate your time. Bye.